Hello, good day, gentlemen. Let's see for the Kabolite 5901. This screw-driven small excavator. It is 1:18 scale K970. Screw-driven, if you got arm bucket, some malfunction not working, let's see how we open, checking from board, from all the wires, plugs, connection. In my last video, we removed the cover, top cover and see this main control board, each plug function. So it's so many from a video not easy identify. So I make this chart, each port what function, and later also this diagram can send to you. So you know each port what function it is. Now, so port, all these ports from main board you already see. Now let's see how we remove this big arm. Yeah. So from the big arm this it, we have to check if big arm, small arm bucket got malfunction. So first, from the arm, we have all these pins from side. Pin here, screw, 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 here, screw, screw, and pin. Yeah, all these pins and these small holes are all for screw. And also this bucket connecting bar. Each one, we all remove. This is the pin and screw. After remove, we can directly from cover, this one is the right side cover, yeah? Right side cover we can remove. And the big arm slider also, this protecting bar can remove. And here big arm, right side remove. So only one plug for the arm LED from this position, take out, then this arm cover, one side can remove. So after remove the big arm cover, so we cut this bandage for the wires. Wires loose, you can have more clear to see. That's the board from here, from a main board. Main board, all these wire coming to big arm. Then from big arm board in, give signal, give power. Then out for motor, big arm, small arm motor control. And also out, go forward, go to small arm inside this board. That's for the bucket and electric hammer control. So let's see from here. So all the signal power coming in, then is more, from here we can see more clearly. So we have power in for control small arm, then out for control bucket. So let's see here, that's aligned, yeah, top, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, that's to small arm sensor up. To here, that's the sensor. Small arm lift up, will stop, that's the sensor. And 2 is 2, that's small arm going down sensor. And 3, left hammer out, right bucket out. 3, we have 4 pin. Left 2 pin is for hammer out, go to forward board for control hammer. Power go forward. And right 2 pin. Right side 2 pin. That's for right side is bucket out, is signal from this board go out, go forward board for control bucket motor. And 4, front bucket sensor, number 4 here. So this sensor, number 4, is here, the sensor for bucket moving, signal coming back to this board. Number 5, left bucket in. 5 here, left 2 pin is bucket control signal power going into this board. And 5, and the right side small arm in. Right side 2 pin is small arm motor control power going into this board. 6, bucket sensor back. Number 6, all these bucket moving sensor up and down from this board, from sensor go to this board, and then coming back to this board here. Yeah, number 6, bucket sensor back. No, sorry. From this one, go back to the main control board. Bucket sensor, we have another one. Yeah, we will see. So bucket sensor back, number 6. It's from here, sensor coming to here, then from 6 port, go back to main board, telling stop. Number 7, left hammer in. 7, left side is signal power going in from main board to this board. And the right side 2 pin is for right side arm LED. So we have big arm, we have the 2 LEDs. That's the LED power from main board go to this board, number 7, right side 2 pin. Number 8, small arm sensor back. Here, number 8. All these 4 wires is that small arm sensor up and down. Signal go back from this port. Yeah, go back to main board telling stop. Number 9 to small arm LED, the arm LED. And number 10 to outside arm LED. Number 11 to small arm motor, this one. Power go to small arm motor. Yeah, right side you can see, yeah. So left side to pin, right side to pin, that's how you tell. And now signal coming to forward for in small arm for bucket control. So here we can align like this, yellow, yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, bucket in. So number 1, left side to pin is for from big arm middle board, power coming out, then coming into this board for bucket. And the right side to pin is this hammer control signal from middle board coming to this board. Number 2, bucket sensor back. Bucket here we have 2 sensor and this magnetic, 2 different angle telling up stop and back stop sensor. And coming to here, yeah, that's from number 2 is sensor go to this board. Number 3, grab. From number 3, these 2 red yellow wire is giving power to this port for the grab control. Now it's a hammer. I also can connect it for grab. It's different, yeah. Number 4. So 2, that's 2 bucket. Number 4, this red white wire directly go to the small this arm. Inside we have the bucket screwdriver motor, bucket moving motor. Number 5, yeah, that's for 2 bucket sensor. From sensor go to 5 port. And from here, number 2 port, this plug go back to middle board, then go back to main board, telling stop. Now, for example, for one function not working, how we check from source to the end. So, for example, the bucket is not moving. If you operate, no working, but big arm, small arm and big arm are working, means your radio is okay. Maybe also the receiver signal to the main board signal here, from here to here, signal is okay because you have other control. Maybe it is only the main board for bucket output not working. So bucket, which one? From 12, left side is bucket out power. So from here, left side to pin is for bucket. So when you're operating from source, let's check. When you're operating for bucket, checking using voltage meter from here, left side to pin. When you're operating, is it showing voltage or not? Around 7 to 8 because your battery is 2S, fully charged around 8.2 volt. If here to pin, no have power out when you operate, it means this board is problem. If all other connection okay. So here, the board problem, maybe we need to change this board. But if here have same as mine, 7 to 8 volt output, then it's coming signal from here, go to this middle board. Let's check middle board. So middle board, we have in 5, bucket in is 5, left side to pin. So we checking from here, 5 is blue color, left side to pin is for bucket power coming into this board. Then you operate. Do you have voltage? Yeah, have. If no have, if here have, but here no have, in the middle wire problem, that's in. Then from this board out to forward board to the bucket. Out is number 3. Right side, bucket out. So number 3 is here, second yellow one. Right side to pin is from board, from this middle board out, go forward to the forward board. So now operate. Yes, also have power. If no have power, so if here no power, but this in have power, that's this board problem. In have power, here out also have power. Let's check in from forward side. So out have power. Checking from this board, bucket in, left, number 1. Left to pin is bucket in. Check. give contact, left to pin for bucket power coming into this board when you're operating. Check voltage when you operate. Yeah, have power. Now stop because already at limit. Okay, it's working, but if here left to pin no power, anyway, if no power is forward problem. Now forward, this one problem. If here have power coming to here, let's check in out. So from bucket, go to bucket is number 4. So these 2 pin, power coming in, then from here out, go to motor, check, and running. Have power. If no have power, if here in have power, here out no power, that's this board problem. Now out have power is going to the motor. So if out have power but here still not turning, that means inside the motor maybe wires broken or motor broken, need to change in the motor. But when you do the test, the sensor, all this moving should not be at the end. If at the end, one direction already sensor telling stop, so no power. So other end have power. So best way is bucket is in, cylinder is in the middle, the sensor is not at the limit position. Also same for the arm, but now the arm, the magnetic already here removed, so it's not limiting. That's the magnetic. When moving here, telling stop. When moving here, the magnetic close to the sensor is telling to stop. So same if small arm have problem, yeah, we checking from source to small arm. If big arm, you'll be checking from big arm here, output to the motor. Same way, step by step, check from where no more giving power, so we can judge what parts went wrong for changing, replacing. Okay, my friends, hope this video can help you to disassemble and check, identify what problem is went going on with your models. If you have other models meeting with any trouble, you let me know. I will try to figure out for you, or maybe making similar these instruction videos for you. Thank you for your trust. See you.